Hello, I'm Sienna Bowes, and welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today, we are going to talk about an Olympiad standard sum on algebra. I'm going to read the sum before we can begin. Determine the volumes of a 16% acidic solution and a 26% acidic solution to be mixed so as to get 30 ml mixture of 18% acidity. How will we do this? First, let us consider the contribution of the 16% acidic solution in this mixture of 30 ml with 18% acidity as x ml. Let us consider contribution of the 16% acidic solution in the mixture as x ml. Therefore, the contribution of the 26% acidic solution will be 30 ml, which is the mixture's volume, 30 ml minus x, 30 minus x ml, will be the contribution of the 26% acidic solution in this mixture. Accordingly, we can frame an equation now, but we are going to frame the equation based on only the acid. Let's frame it. 16% of the 16% acidic solution's contribution plus 26% of this contribution done by the 26% acidic solution by 100 is equal to our mixture, 18% of 30 ml of the mixture. Now we can move on to solving our equation. Or, if we multiply 100 on all sides, then we get 16x plus 26 into 30 minus x, the whole, equal to 18 into 30. Or 16x plus, now let's open the bracket, 26 into 30. I prefer not solving this because there may be chances of taking common factors. 26x equal to 18 into 30. Or 26 into 30, doing a transposition to 30, equal to 26x minus 16x. Or, now we can observe that 30 is the common factor over here. This is 10x. Now we can swap places. And we can simultaneously calculate this. By multiplying 10 on both sides, we get x equal to 3 into 8, which is 24. Contribution of the 16% acidic solution is 24 ml in the mixture, which can tell us now the contribution of the 26% acidic solution in this mixture is 30 minus 24 ml which is 6 ml. And this is our final answer. So I'm giving you a few moments to look at the sum so that you can clear your concept. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.